Hey guys, this is Abhishek Kamboj for AKGU TV. So this video I'm going to start with the positive remark. I recently posted the video of the OnePlus 7 Pro unboxing, and I was seeking help from other creators that I follow and watch videos of. I was dropping comments in their videos so that just have a look of my video and give me feedback. And this is a really positive comment that I got from Norman. He's a really cool guy, make videos on tech. I'll link his channel down below to check him out, check out his channel, and it's a positive remark for me to keep moving forward and make new videos every week. So let's get started with the video. This video right now I'm recording on the OnePlus 7 Pro in 4K 24 FPS. So you can see what is the quality of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me plug this in. Wait 1 second. How is the audio now? Better than before? Yeah, I just forgot to plug in the microphone into the phone. So apparently OnePlus also does not ship the USB-C to headphone adapter, so you have to buy separate. I guess someone is learning tricks from the Apple, so how to sell accessories. That's, good for the company, bad for the consumer, right? Because I did something really crazy today. From the title of the video, you already know what this video is all about. So let me give you a little background of it. From a while, I was thinking about upgrading my camera. The previous camera that I was using was the Nikon D3300. That's a crop sensor camera, but I really wanted to move into the full frame camera category and wanted to upgrade my camera. So I had two cameras in my mind before making my final decision. The first one was the SONY A7iii, and the other one was the SONY A7iii. These are the two cameras that I had my eye on for a while, and I was really looking forward to it. The main reason I bought the camera is for video recording, and I really, from seeing reviews and reading about the camera and the eye autofocus on the A7iii. I went with the A7iii because it has the 4K recording, 120 FPS recording at 1080p. So these are the things that I was wanted, and so I want to keep this video short, so that let's move on to the unboxing of. There you go, guys. There we have the SONY A7iii. Okay, let's unbox it. I don't know, mine, the box had like tear on it, but I asked them, so is this a why does it have the box is like this, but they said me it's a totally new camera, so you don't need to worry about it. I got my camera from the BestBuy. Let me stop here for a while. So as I said, I mentioned that the box was damaged in the video. I was having my second thoughts of in the store to say them to give me another box, but I didn't want it to be superstitious about all this stuff, because let's be real, these are things, manufacturing defects happen. So I just ignored it, and I got the camera and came home. But after unboxing the camera did not have any, the battery of the camera did not have any power, so I let it charge for a while, and when I put the battery in the camera and was playing with the camera and looking at the features and getting to know the camera, it turned out that the lens the camera had came with the camera was defective, so it won't focus at all. So next day I took the camera back to the BestBuy store and I told them about the problem, and they were really helpful, and they gave me the second. They gave me exchange for another camera, and I was relieved, really relieved. Yeah, cool. So I made an unboxing video on that too, so I'll be showing you that video rather than. So a quick update on my Sony A7 III. So yesterday I unboxed it and I showed you what's inside the box, but I could not see, couldn't turn on the camera because it was out of battery. So after playing with the camera when it got charged, I found that the lens was not connecting to the camera properly, and it was not autofocusing. The autofocus on the camera was not working. Even near that camera, the lens is not mounted, or you're not using the right lens. The lens I was using was that comes with the camera, so it should work. So I was kind of worried, and I looked on the internet, but I couldn't find anything. So this morning I went to the BestBuy and I told them this is the problem, and they checked it with the other lenses. That body that I got yesterday, that was working with the other lens, but was not working with the lens that it came with. So they told me two options: either just take the body and they'll ship the lens to me at home, or they said me to you can have the other body. So I went with the second option, and I got the lens and the body, because I didn't want to take risk, and I prefer to get a new body as well as new lens. So as I'm getting it, because it's a new box, I'm just gonna unbox this one. While I was in the store, I saw this camera bag. It is from Loy Pro, so I really liked it because the small bag, really compact, got few compartments, and plus it has a tablet, and you can store your phone inside the sleeve a little, and there's one pocket here you can put your memory card and stuff. So I really like this bag, so I got this one. And I have ordered a battery for it, an external battery and charger, since the Sony A7 III, for your knowledge, does not come with a external charger. To charge it, it comes with a micro USB charger, the Android one, basically the old one. So you can charge it with that, or it also have the USB-C. You can charge it through that too. So there you go, guys. That was the unboxing video of Sony A7 III. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did so, do remember to hit the thumbs up button and leave some comments down below. Feel free to do that. And in case if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you get the updates on my latest videos. Until then, have a good day. Peace.